Everybody, a very good morning. Yeah, it's not good afternoon. This is Jashin Gapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions, and it's a good start to the day. The weather's changing, so throat pain and cough and cold and stuff also seems to be happening to some people and all that. I'm doing good and I'm doing great. And what am I doing now? It's obvious I'm taking a walk, right? So I'm inspired to share that as I walk along with my pet, there he is, okay? And I see these walls around my neighborhood. An idea just came to my mind. So firstly, let me introduce myself. I'm Jashin Kapani, and I've got a business or a setup which is into the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. So we provide solutions in a fashion where we've done projects for homes, hotels, restaurants, and stuff. We've got a huge variety of products as well uh, for international market and Indian market and stuff. And why did I show you that wall? I showed you that wall. It's got nothing to do with designing work, but it's got to do with solving an issue before our country and stuff. So in the morning, I was reading that US is taking this big action or is chalking out a plan to kind of take animal cruelty very seriously, specifically for immigrants and stuff. So what percentage of those people are illegal? I have no idea on that because I don't follow all of it. But the point is that animal cruelty is a concern for me. And over the years, I've been participating at various events in Delhi and protests, and we've been playing for various causes at the Delhi Ram Circle, and with the Supreme Court kind of stepping into action with some not so great rules and stuff. It got me also concerned, and I've also spoken on channels and stuff, got interviewed by people around me and stuff while we were protesting once on the Film City Road. But my point here is that the solution is we're all looking for a balanced, fair way of existing in harmony. Everybody should think about other people. There should be concern and warmth, and we've been talking about being kind and stuff. So I am now inspired to share an idea which came to me while I was looking at that wall. And I've also been in branding and marketing and global PR, and I did a small project with a outdoor company. So my idea is inspired from my background. So the idea is that you could use signage boards, recycle them, and there's so many of those which are used for advertising and branding, billboards, and across the streets, on the side of the seats and streets and stuff. You go on to D&D flyover, you'll see Rajnigandha, you'll see Catch, you'll see Pepsi, you'll see Thumbs Up, you'll see McDonald's and stuff. So all those signages and stuff. So the ones that are you're done with and stuff, which are removed and replaced with new signages all across the airports, metro stations, wherever. It's a big industry. So use those boards to recycle them and reuse them as homes or houses for street animals. I'm talking about dogs here right now. So, this is something which is workable. This is easy to do. There's no, exorbitant time to be spent on wood and planning and stuff and all. Like you see the rooftops, the tin tops of slum areas in Bombay or in Delhi or in developing countries and stuff. I'm inspired to share from that if you can have kholis is the word they have, or if you can have khopchas or small slum houses I see in villages here, when I go for drumming and stuff. So that material, if it can be, refurbished and reused to make small animal homes, kennels across the walls. Like, let me take you around now, across this wall. So you have 10 of these and stuff. So you have a solution. Hi, good morning. 1 second, okay? So you have a solution here to a big problem in the country, and you use those and you have those installed around the boundaries or wherever you want the dogs to be protected from the weather or a place to sleep and stuff and all. After all, kutto ko chahiye kya? They want something, someone to feed them. They want a place to call their own. They want to be protected in the weather and stuff. So I think this should be a workable solution. So rack your brains, think about it. I'm sharing it big time. I don't work on projects like these and stuff, but at a community level, all of this is possible. So I'm sharing this from my city, from my neighborhood. I feel strongly for it's kind of these animals. Dogs especially is going to get really warm. Same can be done for cows. Cows already, it's a different topic altogether, but cows already have, you know, have to be taken care of as well and stuff. And it was disgusting and pathetic and really, not a great thing to see how some people played Holi with a buffalo yesterday and stuff. So all this must stop. It's got to stop. So also a request that, we kind of relook into our legal rules and actions, and we expose people on social media and on TV and radio, wherever, with pictures and everything, because people must stop. So before a country becomes more cruel and more cold and more brutal, I think it's a good idea to share. So, it can work as an example to let the cruelty stop and let people know that there are stronger rules in action and stuff and all. So I see a lot of people, because I'm a part of some groups and stuff, do this. But if you can just voice this at whatever forum you are, whatever media channel you're running, whatever startup firms you have, and whatever work at the grassroots level NGOs are doing, or social bodies are doing, or organizations are doing, I think this is possible. So see, along this line, isn't it possible to have small animal homes? What's difficult about it, right? Each neighborhood along the wall here, you place 4 or 5 of them, and the strays are taken care of and stuff. So I'm talking about something like this, something like this. This is something like this. Oh, lucky me to be walking here. So something like this, मतलब ऐसे बनेगा ये, आपका शेप बड़ा होगा और कैनल का शेप होगा, और इसको कहीं भी प्लेस करिए, हवा में करते हैं पेड़ के साथ तो बर्ड्स के लिए है, और अगर विंडो सिल्स पे या बाउंड्रीज पे रखा जाए, वॉल्स पे, तो कैट्स के लिए है, और अगर नीचे रखा जाए तो क्लियर है आपके लिए, डॉग्स के लिए यार. सो आई एम श्योर आई एम मेकिंग सेंस. सो it's a little warm and I got to walk, and I got to keep myself warm also, because the weather is changing in my throat and stuff. All right, so catch you then. Take care of yourself, be good, be considerate, be warm, be caring, and practice what you generally share around and stuff and all. I won't say preaching, because a lot of people come with great ideas and stuff like that. They're not preachy at all. It's just that they've got some fantastic ideas, and doing any of those would be a great respite to people on street, people, good morning, people everywhere, caretakers, neighborhoods. Your traffic situation will also be under control, because you won't have a dog running onto the road or stuff. And dogs, honestly speaking, zyada hai nahi. There are not too many dogs on the street. Like if you drive, I was driving from here to Saket the other day on Sunday, and I hardly saw 3 dogs on my entire route from Noida. So that's not a very healthy sign for a city to not have, dogs on the street and stuff. I don't know whether they're being taken care of or they're being picked up or whatever, but this solution definitely would work. Place those animal homes, kennel-like, next to trees and stuff, feed them, put some blankets in there, and keep them warm during winters. And you could just let them sleep peacefully in those without really, getting into anything very serious around your budgets and stuff like that also. So hope this helps. Now this is a place where these dogs, they normally have their water. So अगर मैं 2 उठा के इधर रख दूँ, I'm sure it should work, So think about it, and if it's possible, do it. Love and luck, take care. jkapani@gmail.com, jashinkapanioffice@gmail.com, jashinkapani, I'm at gmail.com. Now I got to catch my breath and stuff. So take care. Love and luck. Have fun. Have a blast. Bye-bye.